Ngayong tag-init, may mga palibreng pool dito sa Maynila. Kaya susubukan natin yan. Ano, tara?
Under the scorching heat, many of our kapatids are flocking to free swimming pools around Manila, a quick and accessible way to beat the heat.
Enjoy po dito kasi yun nga malaki yung pool and kasama ko yung anak ko, nag-e-enjoy din po siya. Big help siya kasi halimbawa sa mga bata, lalo na ngayon mainit, so dito talaga pwedeng pumunta.
The pool here is amazing. I had so much fun.
And as hundreds of people come in, officials started to double their efforts in enforcing pool rules like no diving, no running, and other basic safety guidelines.
Ayun po talaga, meron talagang may encounter din kami ng mga pasaway. Lalo na't binabanggit po namin yung mga rules and regulation po namin dito. Kabataan, talagang di mapipigilan yung mga ganyang ma'am, na hindi nila masunod.
To further safeguard the swimmers, 3 lifeguards and 3 security personnel are now deployed around the facility. So far, officials say no major incidents have been reported.
So far, since April 4 na nag-start kami, wala naman kami nangyayari aksidente. At kita mo, mayroon pang nag-warning, mga kasamahan natin. Saka may security tayo. Tsaka pag may nawawala naman, ang tamang naka-report. O may dati may nakawala ng kwintas, na-isoli naman kagad na ako ng caretaker natin.
It was also emphasized that the water cleanliness and safety measures are heavily considered.
After the free swimming, natapos kami 4. Then 6 o'clock, naglalagay na sila ng chlorine o ng mga chemicals para mag-subside lahat ng mga dumi, mga bacteria. Then the following morning, which is 6 o'clock in the morning, doon kami nagva-vacuum at nag-filtrate. Kaya every morning, kulay blue ang tubig namin. Well-maintained naman.
Still, the facilities director stressed that safety does not depend solely on present officials, as discipline from swimmers play a crucial role in a more safe and enjoyed summer.
Well, pinaka-importante, syempre, bawal ang inuman. Bawal kumain sa loob ng pool, bawal magkalat. Kasi syempre, kailangan disiplina. Kailangan madisiplina yung mga bata, and then dun stricto mga tao namin, pinalalabas namin. So mga bata alongside, sumusunod naman.
For now, free public pools across Manila's districts remain open from Tuesday to Sunday.
Ngayon, hanggat tag-araw, tuloy-tuloy yan. Until such time, mag-utos ang ating mayor. Pag tag-ulan, siyempre, unti-unti mag-i-stop na tayo.